dropped the seed, you ran away to the west. I hope you won the marathon with your cornrows. You burned the bridge, I can't cross. You dropped the seed, you ran away to the west. I hope you won the marathon with your cornrows. You burned the bridge, I can't cross. You dropped the seed, you ran away to the west. I hope you won the marathon with your cornrows. You burned the bridge, I can't cross. Steady this, steady that. You never honored me, you ran away, you tortured me. I'm taking the crown, not dear papa, I'm trained. I never understood why you left mom on the peak. Now we're falling, you're rolling in your grave. I never knew you, I thought you was dead till I was 11. Suitcase rolling, it's rock bottom. I'm building more characters, you deprived me of fatherhood. You never gave me a chance, I'm struck by your lightning. It's just a curse, a bird verse. I blame you for your tomb. You was weak, you kept falling on the ground. You never picked yourself up, I swear you was tortured in the basement with more skeletons. I got no daily issues, I got anger tissues, scraps on my knuckles. I'm ready to defend my only life, and this time I'm sweating out of fear. I'm only older this time, my holy voice can sing better this time. I never wanna know why you ran away. The scars in my brain shall fade slowly. I escaped from this bullshit. You ran away to the west. I hope you won the marathon with your cornrows.